Well, class 10, unit 5, already the story I have completed and you have already gone through all the important moments, sentiments and all the critical conditions whatever already portrayed in this story, the concert by Shanta Rameshwar Rao. Tell the student it is very important that Shanta Rameshwar Rao given the message through this story, the concert, that every human being should be very much sentimental and they should always give values to the emotion of others. If anyone is a medical patient, then XYZ, that person we know or not doesn't matter. But we should always pray to God. And if it is there is something in our hand, we can help that patient. We should too. This is a true story. All the names, very hiding names, you may understand that these were not the real names. Except two names correct. This thing already happened in one family. And really that boy was a cancer patient. Pandit Ravi Shankar's and Ustad Allah-Rakha's. These two names are correct. They both went to that house and they together play sitar and tabla and encourage that cancer patient to live forever. Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah-Rakha, page 91, went up the wooden staircase and knocked softly on the door of Aunt Shushila's apartment. They went in, sat down on the divan by the window and played for the boy, surrounding him with a great and beautiful happiness as life went out of him, gently, very gently, surrounding him with a great and beautiful happiness as life went out of him, gently, very gently. So this is a true story. My dear students, I hope so. I wish that you all will learn to show sympathy, to show love, to share your kind heart with other people, other human beings, wherever required. Before going to start, page number 92. Here you see, this video is for 2/12/2020, Unit 5 Prose, The Concert by Shanta Rameshwar Rao. Concept, obviously, you know it well, music. And learning points, glossary, time to time, page-wise glossary given wherever you will start reading from the starting point of the lesson. You will go through the glossaries at random so that whenever you are reading that time, no difficulty should arise. Second, check your understanding through questionnaire method. There is a short question answers. Think about the text, the paragraph. After few paragraphs, nicely SSLC drafted your designed course with few question answers. So, few paragraphs after explanation, immediately question answers. In which way I taught you, you will also practice in the similar manner. So that the full story makeup will be in your mind map. You will not forget. Any type of answer you can able to write in any competitive exam. Then speak well, read and respond. These are all the well and good reading activities, simultaneously exercises. We will do it. I will give you the portrait and you will also excel your own creativity skills. Make notes, sit with the textbook, sit with the attachment and make notes correctly. You note down everything. Question answers also in which way I am telling you. You start writing short, few sentences. Don't make it too much. It will be a burden to you to understand. So comprehend the lesson, understand the lesson, through your reading skill. At random, you have to read and read in order to understand all the words, all the lines one by one. Story concept is very important. Name of the author is very important. Name of the poet is also very important, because anytime one small question may come and you should not miss that chance. That one also gloriously you have to achieve full marks. So here, check your understanding, share your responses. Page number 92. 10th group, get ready with your page number 92. The word gasp, according to the dictionary, suggests surprise or pain. Which meaning is relevant in this context? Paragraph 10, page 90, page 90. The next day, as Smita and her father were leaving for the concert, her brother smiled and said, "Enjoy yourself." Though the words came out in painful gasp, that is the very pain. Gasp, it is the very much painful matter. Lucky you. Next one. Again, page 92. Number 2. As Smita sat listening to the music, she was spellbound, but all the while her mind was echoing something else. What was that? Number 2, page number 90, paragraph 11. Sitting beside her father in the gallery, Smita heard as in a dream the thundering welcome the audience gave the great master. Then the first notes came over the air, and Smita felt as if the gates of enchantment and wonder were opening. Spellbound, she listened to the unfolding ragas, the slow plaintive notes, the first twinkling winds. But all the while the plan she had decided on the evening before remained firmly in her mind. The chance of a lifetime, she heard Anand's voice, her brother, in every beat of the tabla. Next one, page 92, number 3. Why does the writer use the word wriggle to describe Smita's movement? Number 3, paragraph 12, page 90. Smita wriggled her way through the crowds towards the stage. Then she went up the steps that led to the wings, her heart beating loudly. Wriggle here means to twist and turn the body or part of it with quick, short movement. Glossary also given, page 90 down. Read it. Next, 92, page number 4. Smita's nervousness is suggested by the phrase her heart beating loudly in paragraph 12. Identify 2 more phrases that describe a similar state in the next paragraph. So, dear student, number 3, paragraph 12, page 90. Smita wriggled her way through the crowds towards the stage. After this, you see, paragraph 12, her heart beating loudly, more 2 phrases that describe a similar state in the paragraph, next paragraph. So here you can read this one, that he was there standing with the man who played the tabla for him, the great wizard of music, Ustad Allah Rakha. Her knees felt weak, her tongue dry. These are all related to wriggled. But she went up and standing before them, her hands folded, oh sir, she burst out. Page 92, number 5. Did Smita tell what she had in her mind to the musicians who responded to her request immediately? what was the response. So paragraph 13. He was there standing with the man who played the tabla for him, the great wizard of music, Ustad Allah Rakha. Her knees felt weak, her tongue dry. This is about Smita. But she went up and standing before them, her hands folded, oh sir, she burst out. Yes, he asked questioningly but kindly, and her story came pouring out, the story of her own brother suffering, I have told you, from cancer, who lay sick at home, and of how he longed to hear him and the Ustad play. But Pandit Ravi Shankar smiled and motioned, page 91 you see. He turned to Ustad Sahib and said, what shall we do, Ustad Sahib? Ustad Allah Rakha moved the wide of palm from one cheek to another. Tomorrow morning we perform for the boy. Yes, he said. Yes, Panditji replied. That's final. It's settled then. So dear student, this much you will read continuously so that there should be no trouble at all. And read and understand, read and comprehend time and again. It's a long prose, long lesson. So keep on studying, even all the previous lessons also. Because I have told you, your unit test question paper will be from Unit 1, 1 prose, 1 poem, Unit 2, 1 prose, 1 poem, and Unit 3, 1 prose, 1 poem. So very nicely I want that you will write the answers in a sheet when I will send you the question paper through WhatsApp, and you will bring it to the school premise for checking, and you will take 100% marks and go home. Think about your board. Okay children, God bless you.